Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program managed by Modern English School, Nevada. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to start subtraction of decimal. Okay, exercise 70. So in this video, we will learn how to subtract decimal numbers. Now let us take an example. We have to subtract here 27.86 from 53.74. So here see, first of all check whether the decimals are like decimal or not. If it is not a like decimal, then you have to first convert it into like decimal. So here is two decimal places and here is also two decimal places. So these both decimals are like decimals. So we do not need to convert it. Now we have to subtract from 53.74. Okay, what we have to subtract? We have to subtract 27.86. Okay, now put a minus sign here. Now just you subtract the whole number. Likewise, you subtract the decimal. Now see here, 6 cannot be subtracted from 4, so we will take one carry here. So 1 carried from 7. 1 and 4 will become 14, and 14 minus 6 is 8. Now it has become 6. So we will take 1 carried from here. Now 1 taken carry from here. Then 1 and 6 will become 16. And 16 minus 8 is 8. Now here is decimal point. So put a decimal point here. Okay, here is decimal point. So you have to put a decimal point here below. Now here is 2. So and here is 7. So we have to take one carry. 1 and 2 will become 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is your answer. In this way, we will subtract the decimal number. Now let us take some more problems. See exercise 70, question number 4. 56.8 from 204. Okay. So from 204, we are asked to subtract 56.8. So first of all, this is not a like decimal because here is only one decimal places and here is 0 decimal places. So this is an unlike decimal. Our first step is to convert this unlike decimal into like decimal. So how we will convert it? By adding appropriate number of zeros. So 56.8 from 204.0. Okay. So 204 we add 0.0 so that now it become one decimal places, and now we will write 56.8 just below it. Okay. Now we will subtract it. So be sure in writing this decimal column wise that your decimal point would come together, one below the other exactly. Okay. Now subtract it. So here 8 cannot be subtracted from 0. So you will take one carry from here. So 1 and 0 makes 10, and 10 minus 8 is 2. Now, here you have taken one carry. So now it will be reduced by 1. So here is 3. So 3, 6 cannot be subtracted from 3. We will take one carry. Now it will become 13. And then 13 minus 6 is 7. And here you have to put a decimal point. Now here is 0, and you have taken one carry from here. So this 10, and 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 5 is 4. Why? Because here you have taken carry from here. Because here is nothing 0, so 0 will take carry from here 1. And now it will become 10, and it will give from 10, it will give 1 to it. So it will become 9. 9 minus 5 is 4, and here it will become 1. So our answer is 147.2. Okay. Now let's see some another problem. Now see question number 53.5 minus 34.68 plus 64.75 minus 28.9. Okay. So first of all, check whether this is an unlike decimal or like decimal. So here is one decimal places, because after decimal point there is only one D. So one decimal places, two decimal places. So there is difference. So it is an unlike decimal. First of all, convert it into like decimal. So the highest decimal places is 2. So 53.50. Now it's become two decimal places. So it has, and now the next decimal number has already two decimal places. So no need to add 0. It will be here as it is, 64.75 as it is, minus 28.90. Okay, now this is a like decimal, because every decimal number has two decimal places. Now we will apply BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS rule is applicable here also. So see which are plus. So these are plus. Okay, so we have to add 53.40, 53.50. So 53.50 plus 64.75 minus 34.68 and minus 28.90. Okay, so 53.50 and 64.75, add it. 5 plus 0 is 5, 7 plus 5 is 12, 1, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 6 plus 5 is 11. So this will become 118.25 minus. Now minus minus, we know that plus, we have to add it also. So here in graph, add 34 0.68 plus 28.90. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 9 plus 6 is 15. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry 1. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now it will become 63.58. Now we will subtract it. Now we will subtract it. 118.25, 63.58. So here 15 minus 8, we have to take carry from it. 15 minus 8 is 7. And here 1, we have to take carry from here. So 11. Okay, we have to take carry from here. 1. So 11 minus 5 is 6. And here 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. And here is decimal point. Put a decimal point here. And here is 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay, so 54.67 is our answer. Okay, in this way you will solve this type of question. So your today's homework will be exercise 70, 1 to 10. Exercise 70, 1 to 10, and example 2 to 5. Example 2 to 5. Okay. Okay, students, solve it, and thanks for watching the video.